Hello everyone. I'm recording this session for Linux CSI and Autopsy software. Basically, one of the things that you should do, you go under csilinux.com, and the date that I'm recording this video is May 17th. You see that this direct link here gives you VMware Workstation 2023.2. And once you got that link, you extract it with a 7-zip software like this. It takes time to extract this file with around 10 gig. And I extracted the file. Once you extract the file, you go under Linux operating system file, open the extracted file. The output is going to be like that. And this is like CSI. You log in with CSI. Probably the output um, and the result will show up here. Okay. So this is like Linux CSI that we have it around like a lot of tools of forensic investigation tools are located here, and we are using this one for different assignments. One of the assignments that I asked you was autopsy, and autopsy actually is here. So you start creating new case here. Um, so then, like case 001, investigation, their name, you add it, then case type, client name, client report, some stuff that you have seen during the forensic investigation course. You're gonna put it here, the address, suspect name, and then you create your own case number. Once you create a case, it will be open up a folder under your desktop, and part of the assignment, the first assignment, I ask you to import the file. That file actually is a kind of file that is related to database of image. So I'm bringing that one here. So to show you, basically, if I copy that one of this browser here, copy paste, yeah, that link, dftt.sourceforge.net. So that's digital forensic tools testing images. So I'm opening this link here in the Chrome here. So basically, HTTP, you just type it here. It's easier for you to download that one. Um, dftt.sourceforge.net. And we are looking for this one, JPEG search test, and download the zip file. The zip file is going to be located on your download folder, right? So we have it here. I'm gonna extract this zip file, extract it here. So that include a file, DD file, which is database of the pictures. Also some README and the other copyright files are located here. So we're gonna come back to Autopsy. You add a new source, and so you can generate a new host name based on the data source name or a specified new host name. So I'm selecting the first one, disk image or VM image. I'm selecting this item. And then you go under download folder and select this DD file. And then next, so under here, there are some analyzers are not available, like this one, Android analyzer, also DJ drone. This is related to drone analyzer, Android analyzer, iOS analyzer. So these are not an analyzer we're looking for. So we know that this file is not related to like drone or Android and iOS. So next. So then it tries to detect that file, DD file. DD is like a image file that we have on the Linux operating system. So what is the result here? It will show you the deleted files that you have also. So if you have some item miss, like JPEG file, you can watch what type of a picture it is here. Look, those pictures or the other pictures that you have, or metadata that you have, it will show up here. And that is basically what we need for this assignment. I hope has been informative for you guys, and thanks for watching.